just as it once was, when Allah first created the heavens and the earth. The sacred times have finally been restored. The year is again 12 months, of which 4 are forever sacred. O people, indeed, your Lord is one, and your Father is one. Indeed, there is no superiority of an Arab over a non-Arab, nor of a non-Arab over an Arab, nor of one who is white over one who is black, or one who is black over one who is white, except by virtue of their righteousness. You are all from Adam, and Adam was from dust. Every Muslim is the brother of another Muslim. Everything about his brother is inviolable to him, his property, his life, his honor, except that which he open-heartedly gives. Beware, do not go astray after I'm gone by striking at each other's necks. Indeed, every aspect from the era of pre-Islamic ignorance is now beneath my feet. The blood feuds of that ignorant period are now abolished. All that remains of interest from that period is hereby abolished as well. I have left among you that which, if you hold fast to it, you will never go astray again. The Book of Allah. Fear Allah concerning your wives, for you have taken them into your homes by Allah's trust, and intimacy with them has only been permitted for you by Allah's consent. Know that your duty towards them is to clothe them, provide for them, and treat them kindly. Fear Allah your Lord, uphold your 5 prayers, fast your month, give the zakat of your wealth, and obey those in authority over you. You will then enter the paradise of your Lord. Allah has not sent any prophet except that he warned his nation about ad-Dajjal, the false Messiah. Nuh warned about him, as did the prophets after him. He will emerge among you, and what others cannot notice, you must not overlook, for the identity of your Lord was not left unclear to you. Be sure that your Lord is not one-eyed, while ad-Dajjal is blind in the right eye, and his eye will protrude like a bulging grape. O people, you will one day be asked about me, so what will you say? We testify that you have certainly conveyed and delivered and sincerely advised. It is the responsibility of those who are present to convey this message to those who are absent, as some of those who hear it second-hand may comprehend it better than some of those who heard it directly. And may Allah brighten the face of a person who hears my words, understands them, and then conveys them to someone who has not heard them. A believer's heart remains pure so long as it enjoys 3 qualities: acting with sincere devotion to Allah, having goodwill for the Muslims, and committing oneself to the community. For their supplications safeguard everyone around them. O Allah, have I conveyed? O Allah, have I conveyed? O Allah, bear witness. O Allah, bear witness.